Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I don't have to explain how popular Power Apps have become and how its usage and other things are increasing almost every day. Now, if you have a mobile app of Power Apps that I have opened, do you know that you can even put apps directly on your home screen, so that if you have to open an app to do anything, you don't have to go to the Power App and run the app from there. And it's of great use because like PowerApps, because it supports a various business usage, you always want to have it easily accessible. You can access this in browser, in your mobile. So in mobile you can access it either in your browser or in this Power App, but you can add it to the home screen as well. For example, if I go for this app, okay, uh, oh, oh, it's running 1 second. So here if you click on this information button, you have options. If I do this pin to home, it's gonna ask me this question. Okay, now let's see what it looks like. As you can see, oh no, as you can see, this is now this app is right available here, and I can run it right from here. So this offers a great convenience where you can run it right from your home screen and then you can use it. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.